This tutorial will teach you how to install DirectX Graphics Tools in Windows 10.
First, open your Start menu. Click on Settings. Click on Apps. Click on Apps and Features. Click on Optional Features. Click on Add a feature. Locate Graphics Tools. Click on Graphics Tools. This feature will add DirectX graphics support. Now press Install. Click on this arrow to see the installation progress. Wait for the feature to be installed. Now restart to finish the installation process. If you want to remove it, go back to Apps and Features and click on Uninstall.